In this video, we're going to be practicing finding the whole, and we're going to do this both by using the proportion method and using the decimal method, and we will get the same answer. So first, let's go ahead and highlight the parts of our problem, and it says 15 is 25%. This time it says of what number? So of. This time the of, or the whole, is what we don't know. So our variable x is actually going to be going on the bottom where the yellow is highlighted. Same thing over here. This is the variable for these problems. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we have 15 over the whole. Now we don't know the whole, so that's the x, equals, our percent is 25. And don't forget, it's always over 100. This one is never going to change. Now, using the proportion method, we're going to do our cross products. So 15 times 100 equals x times 25. So I write that as 25x. And then to solve this equation, because a proportion is just an equation, we're going to divide both sides by 25. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause your video so you can catch up with me. Then we're going to type in 15 times 100 divided by 25. So x is 60. So the whole number is 60. Now don't put a percent symbol on this because we were looking for a number. We already know the percent. The percent's 25. This is just our number. So let's do the same problem but use the decimal method. So we're going to take our percent, don't forget, as a decimal. That's why it's called the decimal method. So we're going to write 0.25 times the whole. Now you could use a dot to represent multiplication, but I'm going to try to avoid using the dot because I have a decimal point here and I don't want you to get confused, and I'm not going to use the x for multiplication because x is my variable. So in that case, we're going to use parentheses to represent the multiplication. So this is the percent times the whole equals the part, and the part is 15. So this time we're dividing by 0.25. So x equals, now we already know it's going to be 60 because we just did this problem, but let's make sure that's what we get when we use the decimal method. So we have 15 divided by 0.25, and looky there, we get x equals 60. So again, we got the same answer, but we used two different methods.